Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. Yes, we have finally moved in, and yes, it's been tiring, it's been stressful, it's been hectic, it's been all up, it's been all of the above. So you guys can see we still have everything still standing, like they always say, packing everything in is another issue. Then the worst part is packing out the stuffs into their various positions. Today I'm taking the kitchen into action. Yes, the kitchen today is deep priority because I have to deep clean everything, like every closet in the kitchen, and then repack all my plates, spoons, pots, kitchen utensils. I have to put everything back in place. So yeah, I decided to do a video with you guys, show you guys how I intend doing it, what products I'm using, and maybe equally show you guys how I'm going to be organizing my kitchen and the closet and all whatnot. But before then, let me just show you guys how short or how small but spacious the kitchen looks like, and I feel even much more comfortable right in here compared to our old kitchen. Our old kitchen was really small. I mean, once two people entered in the kitchen, it was already overpopulated. But here, I think even if 5 or 6 people stand here, there will still be space for another 3 or 4 persons. So I'm really excited that I got to have a spacious kitchen, because I think that's one dream of every woman who is fond of cooking and fond of being in the kitchen, is to have enough space to work with. So yes, that's one thing I'm really grateful for this kitchen. And it has the amount of closets that it has, cupboards and drawers and everything, I just think is enough for the items or my equipment I have as of now. So yeah, I can do with that. Exactly. Anyways, I'll just give you guys a little tour of the kitchen so you guys see what I'll be working with in the next months. Yes, why not? And equally creating content here, yummy recipes. It's going to be coming on from this beautiful kitchen, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Okay, let's get started. Alright guys, so that's a little view about the kitchen. From here, it has already this installed fridge, the compartment right there. It doesn't have a deep freezer. That's one reason why we had to keep our former fridge, because it's a complete compartment. Then I have right down there some other storage space. This one here is for spoons, then some more storage place. They have is queues, what you're seeing there right now. I was already cleaning before, I thought it wise to just film for you guys, so that's why it's looking all, let me say, messed up at the moment. And then we have the oven right here and everything, but we are thinking of changing the oven and placing ours, I don't know, but we're going to see how that goes. Some more storage right there, and then but there is a dishwasher that still needs to be connected right some down there. Yes, so that's all about it. I love the fact that it has this cream white, not like cream white, but vanilla white color. It's not all white, but I mean, it just reflects everywhere. And then secondly, the fact that I have natural lights and coming from right up there and from the other side. So I don't need a ring light, or don't need extra light for my videos. It just makes it perfect. Exactly. So guys, we'll just go ahead and start cleaning. And for today, I'm going to be using Sagrotan. I got this one from DM. Cleans and disinfects at the same time. That's 2 in 1. And then I will be using this other one too, the kitchen cleaner. I bought this one from Action, and it's actually good, like really good. I just sprayed this everywhere, like in all the surfaces I intend to clean, and then waited for like 10 minutes before I started scrubbing. And it contains bicarbonate, so I'll really recommend this for anybody who wants to clean his or her kitchen. So I started from the top already. It was really dirty, so I'd already scrubbed the top of the kitchen, That's how clean it looks like now. And now I'm just going to go ahead and clean all the closets right there and continue with the fridge. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Let me show you guys how far we are going to go for today. So guys, I'm just trying to sort out all my plates into the cupboard just so they are well organized, because all through that we're still in cartons and all that, so all of this needs to be sorted out down below. right here. Still need to finish up sorting, and in here we have just food stuff, so I think I have just 2 cartons to go and then I'll be done for today. Guys, I love this plates. Goodness, let me show you guys shortly. These ones, they are so amazing. I have the medium one, I have the large sizes, and then I have like the bowls to eat cornflakes with them. This one equally in green and in blue. They're just so amazing. Guys, that's actually it for today. I just have to hurry up and pack up everything so I can free up some space in the house, because we are still in the midst of cartons, boxes here and there. So at least I have some space now to walk in the kitchen freely, and I have to do same like the next days ahead as much as I have time. So that's actually all for today. I'll just go ahead now and sort out my plates, glasses, and whatsoever is still in the carton, and then yeah, in the days ahead I'll see what else I can share with you guys. But as of now, you guys have already seen moving in, seeing a bathroom deep cleaning, kitchen deep cleaning. I was really excited to do this today because I mean, it looked terrible when we came in, and I just couldn't start cooking and touching here and there without giving my kitchen a bath, let me say so. So yeah, I'm pretty much ready to start, you know, bringing out recipes and all whatnot to you guys in my beautiful kitchen. And yes, I hope I see you guys then in my next video. But until then, make sure to check up on these other 2 videos.